Vehicles have become a crucial part of our everyday lives, and therefore we understand that your Mini is part of your lifestyle. Whether you're rushing to a meeting with clients or taking the kids to soccer practice, MINI of Pittsburgh takes great care in ensuring that your vehicle is performing at its optimum level, which in turn keeps you and your family safe. Your Mini is equipped with an electronic brake wear warning indicator that will alert you when it's time to have your brakes inspected. In addition to this light on your dashboard, you should also have your brakes looked at if you experience unusual vibration, pulling, or noises during brake application, as these too may be warning signs that your braking system may need attention. When you visit MINI of Pittsburgh for any scheduled maintenance, our MINI certified technicians always check for proper brake operation and brake system condition. During this process, they inspect the master cylinder, brake linings, brake rotors, brake lines, and ensure that the system has no leaks. They also check for proper brake fluid level and condition. After we have inspected your entire brake system, we will provide you with a comprehensive review of the condition of the system and provide you with any service recommendations. It is inevitable that your brake pads will wear out over time. Be assured that MINI of Pittsburgh only uses MINI Genuine Original OEM manufacturer recommended parts for appropriate fit and performance. Annual brake system inspection is an important part of proper vehicle care, but more importantly, your safety. Make an appointment with MINI of Pittsburgh for your brake system inspection today by calling 855-455-2019 or clicking on the appointment link on this page. We look forward to providing you with the exceptional vehicle and customer service we have come to be known for.